Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm speaking kind of low because I'm in the middle of nowhere actually. Taking my dogs to the waterfall. Right, Maya? Yeah. I only brought Maya and Lucky because they're well behaved. I mean, next time I'm gonna bring Duke and Bidu because Mickey, it's impossible. He's impossible. I don't know if you guys saw my last live on YouTube, my first and last. So Mickey was with me here, and he was so loud and barking every time. So I left him home, and I brought just Lucky and Maya. They're the quiet ones. I don't think there's anyone here because the field, like the grass, so like high, right? Let's see. Oh no, it's not here. I'm not sure. No. No, there is here. So look. The grass is very steep. So I'm gonna have to walk on it. Like, oh gosh. Before it wasn't like this. Like, I think there aren't many people coming here these days. That's why. Oopsie! Again, lost my sandal because Maya stepped on it. Right? Where's my sandal? Maya! Okay. Where's my sandal? I lost my sandal. Where? Where is it now? Lucky. Shh. My gosh, where is it? I don't know where it went. Maya, come here. Okay, sit there. Where's my sandal? My gosh, I lost it. Ah, okay, it's there. Oh, finally. Maya, come here. Maya. Okay. Oh, huh? Anyway, Maya always steps on my sandal, so I lose it. Let's see if there's nobody there. So you guys are gonna see how beautiful the place is. Let's go. Oopsie. Slowly. Ah, Jesus, I'm gonna have to let her go because I'm gonna fall. It's kind of slippery here. Right? How beautiful flower. Look, Lucky here. Look here, Lucky. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. I'm gonna take a piece home. I didn't know there were like flowers on this plant because I've never seen one before. Wow, so amazing. Nature is amazing, right? Stop. I'm having. I have to go here and then there and then down. Oh, hey. Let's go. Go. Okay. Yay! Yay! Precious place.